What's up, y'all? Damn.
That's why my irrigation wasn't running. But since I already cut the pipe, I forgot to show you. This thing is cool. It makes it real easy to get in some small spaces, everything. I'll show you how to do the rest here. Now I'm going to be using this PVC compression fitting. It has rubber in here, it goes on the outside. But from looking at it, that's cutting it too close. So I want to add a little bit of pipe to make it closer and inside. So what I'm going to do is actually cut more of this off, put a coupling, and add some pipe on to about here. Why am I doing that and not just doing it in there? Because this pipe is buried and it is tight. I won't be able to move it as much as I need to snap in the pipe. These things, I think this one for 1 1/4 is rated at like 200 PSI or something like that. And this here only has at very most 50 PSI, very most, coming through. So it shouldn't be any problem once we get that going. So here's what we do. And I'm trying not to be too shaky here. But we're actually gonna take some of this, slide it in there, squeeze. Once you break through, it gets a lot easier. Boop, just like that. Look at that, nice, flat, clean, good to go. So easy, so simple. Okay, so here we go. Here's the old pipe that I cut off of here. Off of right here. I only need about 1 inch or 2 more. So I'm gonna take this, see that there? It says somewhere about right here. That's all I really need. It's just an inch or 2. That's the cool thing, is it doesn't have to be super specific. See, it's cutting right inside of there. And boop. The boop helps. Trust me, it helps. So yeah. See, so now when we have this here, we're gonna take this, and that's much better. Much better. So what we're gonna do is we always make sure it's clean. Take us a rag, put that on there. Same thing with this coupling, and same thing with our new pipe, just because. Now here's the trick. So I'm gonna take this, see? So I'm actually gonna slide this on, cap, push it way back there. This little rubber piece, way back there. Take this off, slide that way back as far as I can. Because once I put this on, it's gonna be real hard to fit this around it. So, what we're gonna do first here, we get our purple primer. It just tries to make sure everything is clean. Whoopa, whoopa, whoopa. Can't have too much primer, really. We don't want it to pull up, but at the same time, we want enough everywhere. Yep, there's that. Let's do our coupling. We'll go ahead and do both sides. Cool. And this here is our rain or shine. Because it's irrigation, it's usually wet. So that's why we want to get the wet stuff. This can be used hot, cold, from 40 degrees to 110, and anyway, it can use wet. That was my main important thing. Woo, woo. On there, and then also woo, woo, in here. You want to take this, push it on, and turn it. See how it likes to try to push out? You want to hold it in tight. Hold it in for a little bit. About 20 or 30 seconds. Boom. All right, now we have our new pipe here. We're gonna do the same thing. Glue around there. And stab it. A little glue inside of here. All around, you don't wanna miss anything. Oh no, I put too much glue. Well, you know it's gonna stick. Stick it in, spin at least a quarter turn and hold it tight. Hold it there. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. One more. One more. Come on, one more. You got this. Look at that. See how close this actually is from getting on there. Put this on. And this on. There. And this you just tighten up. Make sure this goes inside. Nice and tight there. Yep. There we go. Little finagling. Whoa, too far. It's a long way to tighten up. More threads is better. Tighten this up and tighten this up. So now we only have about an inch or so gap in here with a compression here and here. With that rubber, that's gonna hold it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to dry, and then I'll come back with the big boy wrenches. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes, and back with the big boy channel locks. Sorry. So I'm just gonna grab one on here, one on this side, and tighten. Now I can over tighten, but I want to make sure that it's nice and tight. Feel it stop. That's about where you want to be. Tight, 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 tight. There it went. So, there we are. That's fixed. So, it wasn't too bad. Big break right there. I did just want to use this. It's super simple, and I wouldn't have the maneuverability in order to add just more pipe because they're buried so much unless I really want to dig out some and get some play. But this was easy. That's typical. Coupling, a little more pipe, and this is pretty cool. Makes it that simple. You just put it on there, tighten it down. Again, I think this is rated somewhere about 200 psi for this size pipe, 1.25 inches. But again, this is irrigation, so I don't think it has any more than 40 or 50 pounds running through it. So we're overcompensating. See my big channel locks? Hey man, it's not about the size of your tool, it's how you use it. But, so there we go. I'm gonna go turn the irrigation on and we'll see if it works. Nice. Spraying. Alright. So we have a little bit more to fix, but that's not normal. But yeah, step one done. Spraying away. Huh. All right, I'm gonna get to fixing this one now. All right, bye.